How to check watch history on Twitter. First of all, head over to your application Twitter and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on your profile at the top left corner. Moving to the option profile. So right here you'll get to see three different sections: tweets, replies, media, and likes. One thing you should know that there is no any direct option where you can see watch history of Twitter. But these sections are also somehow the watch history that you have made on Twitter. Head over to likes. These are the history of the likes that you have made on Twitter. But if these sections are not enough, then what you can do is go back and tap on your profile at the top left corner. Scroll down and head over to settings and support. The option of help center will be visible to you. Tap on it. The settings are not visible due to privacy, but all you gotta do is head over to report a problem. And then you need to write that you need the feature of checking the watch history of Twitter. If many people report the same problem, the Twitter will get concerned and might update the feature as soon as possible. And you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and I hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for staying with us till the end.